Okay, this is the moment of truth. We're gonna pull it. I got the screws out down here for the metering piece. Everything's been blowed out a dozen times. So I'm gonna wiggle this off. I'm terrified to find out if my pump's gone. This doesn't want to come up. Okay, here she comes up. Okay. Now apparently there's a screen on this. Do you see a screen anywhere?
Yeah.
Is there any metal in it?
I don't see any metal in it.
Where's the screen to? Right here?
Yeah.
So there's no metal in it. My fuel pump's still good.
Mm-hmm.
Thank goodness for Chef Boyardee. Okay. So I have to put this somewhere for a minute. I have to go down here and look down here. Apparently there's a gasket there. So I am going to get a piece of cloth with the special one. I have, they're called Kimberly wipes. What I use when I work on motors. They're different. It's just, when you stick them in the hole, they seem to, it all comes up. So, where's the crossover to? There's fuel pump. There we go, down here. Trying to find the spot again where it's at. Holy cow, I hate moving.
I gotta pause that.